How's it going, everyone? Jared from Yoda Expedition here. Today we're going to be installing the original AVS window visors onto our 4Runner. In your packaging from AVS, everything that's included is going to be 2 fronts, 2 rears. These have the double-sided tape pre-installed, so you don't need to worry about that. You're also going to get your instruction booklet and 4 little packs with alcohol pads. All right, we're going to jump right into the install. The first step is to grab one of your alcohol pads and pull that out. And all you want to do is just make sure the surface where it's going to be adhering with the double-sided tape is good and clean. So back here on the vertical, across this whole black area here, and that should be good. So ours is nice and clean from just the alcohol pad, but if your vehicle is very dirty with salt, mud, anything like that, the alcohol pad is not going to be what you want to start with. You're going to want to wash this down with some soap and water first, make sure it's dry, then hit it with the alcohol pad, and then on to the next step. One thing that AVS leaves out of their instructions that we'd like to point out is that if you're installing in cold weather, you definitely want a heat gun or a hair dryer because if you install these in the cold, the double-sided tape is not going to stick properly and the visors will likely fall off. All right, now that you have the window area clean where this is going to be sticking, you can go ahead, flip your visor over and peel off the double-sided tape that is vertical on the front and rear. So you're going to remove the covers on both the front and rear fully, and then on both ends of this long strip along the top, you're just going to get the first couple inches started and then leave the rest in the middle. So right like that, I'm going to put a crease there so that it's sticking up, and then come and start this end and do the same. Right about there, sticking up. Now you're ready to get this centered where you want it on the vehicle. So now that you have this tape exposed, you can go ahead and center it up on the vehicle where you need it. Make sure these tabs are sticking out the top so that you can access them. You want to line it up with the top of the door as best you can. So right about there, and you can stick the ends down. Now once you have the ends down, you can pull your tab and pull this all the way out, and then you're going to want to go across here, pressing this firmly with even pressure to make sure it's stuck all the way across the top. All right, we got the front one installed. Now you're ready to move on to the back. The installation is going to be the same basic process. You're going to remove fully both the front and rear vertical tape, and then you're going to peel back about 1 inch or 2 on either side of the long strip on top. Go ahead and line it up. Make sure you have this exactly where it needs to be. Then you can press both sides down. And then you're ready to pull this out and press along the top, good and firm all the way across. All right, we got the passenger side done. Now all you need to do is repeat those steps on the other side of your vehicle and the installation is complete. I hope this video helped you guys out with your installation of your original AVS window visors. If you don't have one of these sets already, we have the link down below where you can purchase a set at yodaexpedition.com. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.